Hi, I'm going to explain how to use Qipress and what is Qipress. Okay, so this application you can download from the link that I prepared. After you download, just copy somewhere. It is portable, so just open up and click the exe to on the Qipress. Okay, so what Qipress do is Qipress let us display the mouse cursor. That left button is the red color, middle button of the mouse green, the right button mouse blue, and also it can display the button that you click by text here, the mouse button, or the keyboard button that you have pressed. This Qipress is very useful when you're recording videos, right? Especially in simultanes, right? You want to, for example, you want to show, okay, which mouse button you like now I'm doing a dynamic rotations, right? So you can see that the red color is left button and I'm pressing control key, right? You can see from here control. A middle button is pen, right? Middle button is green, and also the text showing control middle button, and right button is zoom, right? So it's very useful for training, useful for training, for video recording, things like that. You can change the setting from here. Qipress, go to setting, right? So under tools, you can change the color if you want. If you don't like red, you can change other color, middle green and right. So there's a setting you can change to your preference. The default most of the time is good. Thank you. Okay, next I'm going to explain the next application, the ZoomIt, screen teaching tools. Also, this tools also is a portable. You just double click, right, and it load. After load, you can find this in here. ZoomIt. Here, this is ZoomIt. You can right click for the option also, right? If you want on the zoom, control 1, live zoom, control +4. You want to do some drawing, control +2. You can change the shortcut key if you want. The font that you want to use for typing, breaks, okay, control 3. This is interesting, right? Later I will explain. Control 3, what is that? Okay, let's say here, let's say you want to do some demonstrations, right? You want to draw something, okay, right? And you want to zoom it. Maybe the icon is too small. The trainee or the audience requests to zoom it bigger. Then you can always control 1 by make sure you on the zoom it. Control 1. Then it will zoom up. Then you can use the mouse roller to zoom and zoom. Right? You can zoom and zoom and make it bigger. Right? And also, after you move to the location that you want to zoom, then you just click, then immediately you will see a red cursor Display cursor allow you to draw something, like make a circle, right? So now it's red. If you want to change to yellow color, you just press Y on the keyboard and it becomes yellow, right? If you want a blue one, press B, blue, G, then it's green. Okay, so if you want to type some text, you just go to T, then you change to the text, right? And if you want to make the text to be bigger, you can always Control key and use a roller to make the text bigger and smaller, right? Then you can here type ABC, type something that you want to explain and display on the screen. So after you click on the screen one more time, you go back the cursor again. Maybe I'll change back to red. For the lines, the thickness of the lines, you can also control and the mouse, click the mouse, you can also increase the size of the line. Okay, like that. Control and the mouse. So this is very useful when teaching or when doing a video recording, right? So you want to cancel everything back to normal, just press escape button on the keyboard and go back to normal, right? So this is how you use ZoomIt. Okay, maybe after some time, maybe 1 hour training, 2 hour training, you want to have some tea breaks, right? Then you can press this Control 3, then it will display a timer on the screen on your PowerPoint, yeah, so that the people can have 10-minute breaks and come back. This is very useful, yeah. To escape, you cancel it. So the time you can change by the breaks, yeah, you can change here. And also you can have other options as well. Play sound, you want to play a sound, right? Or show a background picture, right? Right, that is ZoomIt.